Hey guys, in this quick 2025 face-off, we're looking at UptimeRobot versus VS Code. VS Code is fantastic as a code editor. You can write scripts that call APIs, run requests, and even build custom alert logic. But everything stays local. You have to manually run or deploy your code, manage API keys yourself, and keep your environment online if you want alerts to fire. It's flexible, but requires setup and maintenance, and isn't designed as a monitoring platform. UptimeRobot, on the other hand, is made exactly for monitoring APIs and web services. You add your endpoint, store your API key, and UptimeRobot sends automatic requests at regular intervals, checking status, response times, SSL, or even keyword presence. If something fails or goes down, its built-in alert system notifies you via email, SMS, or push. No extra coding needed. With VS Code, you get control and flexibility. But with UptimeRobot, you get reliability, automation, and peace of mind. For small scripts or development work, VS Code works. For actual production-level monitoring, UptimeRobot wins every time. So if you want full control over code and APIs, use VS Code. But if you care about uptime, automated monitoring, and instant alerts, UptimeRobot is a stronger choice. If this helped you pick, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 tool showdowns.